Foul odors around your septic system can totally ruin your day and even mess with your home's vibe. So, first things first, you gotta check those vent pipes on your septic tank. If they're clogged or blocked, the stinky gases have nowhere to go but into your yard or even inside your house, which is super gross. Make sure there's no debris, leaves, or nests blocking them. Next up, look for leaks around your septic tank and pipes. A leak can let out nasty smells and even cause your system to back up, which you definitely don't want. If you spot any cracks or wet patches in your yard near the tank, call a pro to fix it before it gets worse. Adding bacteria additives to your septic system can help break down waste faster and reduce odors, so try that regularly. Also, avoid flushing things like grease, oils, or harsh chemicals that kill the good bacteria inside the tank. Keep heavy water usage in check too, because flooding the system can cause backups and odors. Lastly, schedule regular septic tank pumping every 3 to 5 years to keep everything working smooth and smell-free. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic system odors is ignoring blocked vent pipes. This traps gases and makes the smell worse, so clean those vents out right away. Another common issue is not fixing leaks quickly. Small leaks can cause big odor problems and even health risks, so get them repaired fast by a professional. The third mistake is flushing stuff that messes up the bacterial balance in your tank, like bleach or coffee grounds. To fix this, stick to flushing only toilet paper and human waste, and use bacteria additives to keep the system balanced. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to septic systems and other home projects. It also helps contractors connect with people who need work done, making life easier for everyone involved.